What's up, everybody? It's your boy, News and Views BD, and today we're diving deep into the world of billionaires and how they travel like absolute bosses. Ever wondered how they jet set around the world in style without breaking the bank? We're revealing their top secret travel hacks, so you can travel like a billionaire too. Get ready to have your mind blown because things are about to get wild. All right, first up, private jets, the holy grail of luxury travel. These sleek, powerful machines are the epitome of opulence and convenience. Billionaires aren't buying jets anymore, they're using memberships. Yes, you heard that right. The ultra-wealthy are opting for a more flexible and cost-effective approach. Instead of owning, they're part of exclusive clubs where they pay a monthly fee and get access to a fleet of private jets. This means no maintenance hassles or storage worries. It's like a super exclusive timeshare in the sky. Imagine having a luxurious flying experience whenever you want, without the hefty price tag of ownership. Some memberships are more affordable than you might think. With various tiers and options, there's something for different budgets. Splitting costs can be cheaper than flying first class commercially, especially with family or a group. So, next time you think of luxury travel, consider this not-so-secret secret. Next up, luxury hotels. Imagine stepping into a world of opulence and grandeur. Billionaires stay in presidential suites, enjoying breathtaking views and lavish amenities, but rarely pay full price. How? Loyalty programs. These programs are the secret to unlocking luxury without breaking the bank. They stick to specific hotel chains and rack up points for free nights, upgrades, and more. Imagine waking up to a gourmet breakfast delivered to your room. They also get into super exclusive, invite-only programs offering personalized experiences and perks. Think private lounges and dedicated concierge services. Getting into these top-tier programs takes dedication and strategic spending. It's about knowing where to spend and how to maximize your benefits. But if you're serious about living the billionaire travel lifestyle, it's worth it. Imagine sipping champagne in a first-class lounge or unwinding in a luxurious spa. Chapter 3. The Secret Weapon Personal Travel Concierges. Planning a trip can be a pain. Billionaires use personal travel concierges to handle everything. They book flights, hotels, and even score hard-to-get reservations and tickets. They often have access to deals and discounts you wouldn't find anywhere else. While a full-time concierge might be out of reach, affordable services offer similar perks online or through travel agencies. Chapter 4. The Off-Peak Advantage. Billionaires travel during the off-season to avoid crowds and enjoy peace. Flights are cheaper, hotels are less crowded, and you can enjoy sights without tourists. Traveling off-season means better deals on everything from flights to activities. Even if the weather isn't perfect, you can still have an amazing time. Chapter 5. Unlocking Luxury with Exclusive Credit Card Perks. We're talking about super exclusive credit cards with hefty annual fees, but next-level travel perks. Perks include airport lounge access, free checked bags, travel insurance, and trip cancellation protection. Many cards offer sign-up bonuses worth thousands in travel. If you're responsible with credit and travel frequently, it might be worth looking into. And there you have it, folks. Billionaires' secret travel hacks exposed. From private jets to five-star hotels, you can now enjoy the same luxuries without breaking the bank. Now that you know their secrets, there's no excuse not to travel in style. Whether it's finding the best deals or knowing when to book, these tips will elevate your travel experience. Traveling like a billionaire isn't about spending a ton of money, it's about spending it wisely. Choose the right times, use the right apps, and always look for hidden gems. Use these hacks to upgrade your travel game and experience the world like never before. Imagine sipping cocktails on a private yacht or relaxing in a luxury resort, all within your budget. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more amazing tips. Stay tuned for more ways to live lavishly without the lavish price tag.